so check it out. We're going to get to ZooRena through our Wan wallet. We just did Wan wallet, Dapp store, Zookeeper, and that's how we got into the zoo. We clicked on ZooRena, and here we are at the ZooRena. If you don't know a little bit about ZooRena, 2 automatically selected clans are picked each week to battle. You pick which clan to join, and you can attach an NFT booster to increase your clan's odds of winning the fight. And as we see here, the second fight ever, will be starting in about half an hour. It is a Sunday morning, so we're going to go ahead and join a clan. Click join clan. Now I've been farming with Raging Mane Leo for quite some time, since the beginning, so that's my guy. So we're going to join Raging Mane Leo's clan. We'll approve it. Wait on that to confirm, and then we're going to go ahead and join. Alright, so we're in. We see we got the rainbow pattern going on, my Raging Mane Leo guy. So you do see the countdown timer until the next fight. Now the entry fee is 1% of the current gold chest price. Each clan will have 100 points by default, and as you battle, the score will be reduced. Now each clan has 100 points by default, and as they battle, the score will be reduced. And the highest score at the battle's conclusion is the winner, and the users from the winning clan will all receive a silver chest and 3 lottery tickets to win the accumulated jackpot, and draws are not possible. Now after I join, you can see we could add power or weight to the clan. You can attach up to 1 NFT to your clan, as it will boost your chances to win, or the clan's chances to win. The NFT cannot be used if it's attached elsewhere, like mine is currently in a farming pool, and the NFT will be locked for the duration of the fight, and it can be withdrawn when the fight is finished. Now this must manually be done from the View All Fights tab, and we can see that my current fight we can view. And you can view the last one, which this was the very first ever fight where Emperor Slickfeet did defeat Blubber Bob. Now you can click the add wager button for 9 extra events as well. Each of these has several different outcomes, but only will ever result in 1 outcome selected. And you're always able to view all possible results before wagering. Wagers must be placed up to 1 minute before the event starts, and they cannot be placed during battle. So the wager cost varies on the probability of a prize being issued, so like 1 to 1 or 1 to 4. So we see here this is a pretty high wager price because it's a 50-50 shot that you're going to have to win. So it's going to be more expensive. So check this out. This one has 1 to 2 odds, and the gold chest wager is 3,040 zoo. So the odds are going to be better, but you're going to pay more for that wager, where here it's a 1 to 12 and it's only 737 zoo that you're going to be wagering because you have much worse odds. And as we see, there's only a gold or silver chest option on each wager. And remember, your clan does not need to win a wager, and all wagers are independent from the match, and all outcomes are completely random. Right here, if you think that the Harley Davidson motorcycles is going to win, you get to pick either the silver chest or the gold chest, and that is your wager if that does indeed win. And remember, 50% of the wagers that are placed are burned, and the remaining 50% are added to the jackpot, and entry fees are considered wagers. Like, do you think that weekends will get wrecked? You can put 96 zoo on it. And as you can see here, we received 3 lottery tickets, which you will too by paying the entry fee. And remember, you also receive lottery tickets when making a gold or silver chest wager. As you can see here, if Pepe the Frog will show up during the battle, you will receive 2 lottery tickets for a silver chest and 20 lottery tickets for a gold chest wager. And the gold chest wagers are approximately 10 times more lottery tickets than the silver chest wagers. Now, 3 winning lottery tickets will be selected from the victorious clan after the battle ends, and can take up to several hours after the conclusion to be distributed evenly across those tickets, and the winning ticket will appear glowing. Remember, the lottery jackpot is made up of 50% entry zoo and 50% wagered zoo, and those other 50% are burned, making this a deflationary event, and lottery tickets cannot be carried over into other events or sent to another address. So Mr. Squwakle ZooReporter is a bot, and it will comment in real time throughout the event, and its purpose is to announce results of both the fight event, during which clans lose members and points, and wager events, so what the winning option for each wager type is. So check out the link in the description below to the Zookeeper Telegram group, where you will find Mr. Squwakle ZooPorter throwing stats at you, such as this, where fight number 1, this was just a little while ago, that there's 382 members joined, 128 NFTs attached, and the current zoo jackpot is 50,542 zoo. And obviously that amount has been burned, which would currently pay out 16,847 zoo per winning ticket. All right, we've got about 17 and a half minutes until this battle starts, and we will be back with the thrilling conclusion and results of this ZooRena clan battle. So the match is over. Unfortunately, we came out on the losing side. It took about 12 minutes. We lost by 2 points. Toucan Stan won the battle. So even though you see we had more NFTs, it did not matter in the end. We ended up losing, unfortunately. And as we scroll down on the left here, you can see what happened, what went on. Now this did cost about $12 USD to the current conversion to get into this. And we see peanut butter jelly time won, the weather forecast, everything we wagered on, or you wagered on, or could have, is down here in the report, in the timeline. And unfortunately, we came out on the losing end. And remember, if you had an NFT or you were on the winning side, you would claim your NFT and your chests that you won here. So that's it from the ZooRena. Let me know what you thought of this. Is this something you've participated in? Have you been on the winning side? What'd you get? Share it with us. We'd love to hear it. And if you don't know how to play Zookeeper, check out this how-to video we did right here, and we will talk to you there.